Good evening, dear tutor and partners. My name is Sara Maria Vélez Verbel. I'm studying at UNAD. I'm studying a bachelor in teaching English as a foreign language. This is a nice activity to do. In this activity, we are going to show how the Web 2.0 tools help us in the classroom. I chose the Blogger. To have a Blogger account before, we need to have a Gmail account. If you don't have the Gmail account, you have to create this. In this second picture, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account or a Gmail account. After this, we type Blogger platform and we open or create an account on Blogger. Blogger is related to Google. This is the way we create our Blogger. Okay. When we cut something on Blogger, we use some templates. We go to template and choose one from so many they have. Next, if we need to add some picture to our blog, we go to the icon of picture. Okay. Then first we write the title of the blog. We write our address, email, and we can choose one of these templates. And then we click on create a blog. Okay, here this arrow is showing the template we have chosen, then create a blog. Okay, making a blog is very interesting and very nice. Blogger is a fabulous web tool to be and interact with our students and classmates. Bye bye.